What is voltage, and how is it measured?
Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points in a circuit, and it is measured in volts V. It represents the amount of energy required to move a unit charge from one point to another. A voltmeter is used to measure voltage.
Can you explain the difference between voltage, potential and EMF?
Voltage, potential, and electromotive force, EMF, are related concepts in the field of electricity, but they have distinct meanings. Voltage, also known as voltage potential or electric potential difference, is the measure of electric potential energy per unit charge between 2 points in an electrical circuit. It represents the driving force that causes electric current to flow. Voltage is measured in volts, V, and can be thought of as the push or potential energy difference that enables the movement of electric charges. Potential, in the context of electricity, is often used interchangeably with voltage. It refers to the electric potential energy per unit charge at a specific point in a circuit. In simpler terms, it represents the amount of electric potential energy possessed by each unit of charge at that point. Electromotive force, EMF, is the maximum potential difference or voltage that a power source, such as a battery or generator, can provide. It represents the work done per unit charge by the source in driving the charges around a complete circuit. EMF is a measure of the source's ability to deliver electrical energy.
What is current, and how is it measured?
Current is the flow of electric charge in a circuit, and it is measured in amperes, A. It represents the rate of flow of charge per unit time. An ammeter is used to measure current.
What is power, and how is it calculated?
Power is the rate at which energy is transferred or converted, and it is calculated as the product of voltage and current. It is measured in watts, W, and represents the amount of energy per unit time.
Can you explain the difference between real power and reactive power?
Real power is the power that is actually consumed or dissipated in a circuit, while reactive power is the power that is stored and released by reactive components such as capacitors and inductors. Real power is measured in watts, W, while reactive power is measured in voltamperes reactive, darr.
What is energy, and how is it calculated?
Energy is the capacity to do work or to cause a change, and it is calculated as the product of power and time. It is measured in joules, J, or kilowatt-hours.
Can you explain the difference between energy and power?
Energy is the capacity to do work or to cause a change, while power is the rate at which energy is transferred or converted. Energy is measured in joules, J, or kilowatt-hours, while power is measured in watts, W.
What is the unit of electric current?
The unit of electric current is the ampere, A. It represents the rate of flow of electric charge in a circuit.
What is the unit of electrical resistance?
The unit of electrical resistance is the ohm. It represents the opposition to the flow of electric current in a circuit.
What is the unit of electric potential difference?
The unit of electric potential difference is the volt, V. It represents the amount of electrical potential energy per unit charge.
What is the unit of energy?
The unit of energy is the joule, J. It represents the ability to do work or transfer heat.
What is the unit of power?
The unit of power is the watt, W. It represents the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred.
What is resistance?
Resistance is a measure of how much a material opposes the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohms.
What is capacitance?
Capacitance is the ability of a system to store an electric charge. It is measured in farads, F. A capacitor is made up of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When a voltage is applied to the plates, an electric field is created across the dielectric, causing electrons to accumulate on one plate in positive.
सर जो पढ़ा वो याद ही नहीं रहता, मैं क्या करूं?
बिल्कुल मन से एकदम तंदुरुस्त होते हैं जैसे
लगभग 2. अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के 20% कंटेंट को, मैंने अपने जीवन में ऐसे हजारों स्टूडेंट देखे जो वाकई बहुत मेहनती हैं, लेकिन कुछ भी पूछने पर जवाब नहीं दे पाते और हर बार एक ही सवाल करते हैं, सर जो पढ़ा वो याद ही नहीं रहता, मैं क्या करूं? वाकई ये हर स्टूडेंट के जीवन का सबसे मुश्किल सवाल है, क्योंकि अगर आप पढ़ने के बाद कुछ याद नहीं रख पाए तो पढ़ने का क्या फायदा और फिर आप जीवन में सफल कैसे होंगे।